Good morning, guys, and welcome to Velvet Hammer Fitness. Well, I hope you have brought your appetite for fun this morning because we have a super fun box and boxing snack workout to do, okay? So you will not have to have any equipment to do this workout, even though it is a box and boxing workout, because any of the moves that I do on the box you can do on the floor and sub with your favorite lunge move or plyometric move, okay? So do not shy away from this video or this workout just because you don't have a box, okay? So what you could add to this workout, other than your amazing body and your can-do attitude strapped right on, is you could add some hand weights for the kickboxing sections to make them even more challenging. You could add your weighted vest, of course, and again, you could use your Plyo Box or a sturdy elevation, okay? Other than that, you just need a lot of water and, again, the can-do attitude. And when you have all of that stuff ready, I will see you back here for this box and boxing snack. Hope you're hungry. Alright guys, let's get this box and boxing snack started with a good warm-up. Alright, let's just start with some butt kickers. If you are not ready to jump and butt kick, I get it. You may have picked this workout because you didn't want to jump a whole lot. There is some jumping in it, but we can always modify. So if you are feeling like not jumping yet, just do some low impact butt kickers, flexing those feet and drawing them towards your cheeks. Your lower cheeks, of course. Alright. Couple more seconds here. Get the blood flowing. Alright, we're going to open up those hips. We need to get our abs and our hip flexors and our hips nice and ready to box. Big circles. If you hear some giggling today during this video, it's because my little ones, all three of them, are in here with me. Two are snuggled in a Plyo Box. One is just watching from the chair. So let's do one more each side. 1 and 2. Good job. Now let's warm up some kicks. Some nice low kicks, okay? Nice low kicks. Kind of a belt kick, but not even maybe that high. We're just trying to warm everything up. You can throw a punch in there to get your arms ready for what they're about to do. As you get one, you can take it higher. You can also just do a knee here, okay? Whatever feels good. Keep the core nice and tight. Don't just throw your arms out there. Punch and engage. 3, 2, 1. All right, now we're going to take our legs out nice and wide, and we're going to go back and forth. Want those quads to be ready. Really want our glutes to be ready for some of those side kicks. Awesome, awesome. Let's go one more each side. 1, 1. All right, let's hit some kicks. Now you can also just chamber the knee here if you are not ready to kick, but if you are, just want you to kick to either side. Let's do one more each side. 1 and 1. All right, let's warm up some tricep dips. We'll have a few of those today. You're going to go right next to your box. I want you to keep your legs nice and bent. These don't have to be the hardest dips you've ever done in your life. We'll straighten our legs out later. Keep that back close to the elevation. 1 more. Good job. All right, let's do some step-ups next. If you have a box or sturdy elevation. If not, you could do lunges here. You can sub out any of the box jumps in this workout or plyo moves of your choice, or low impact moves of your choice, okay? Almost there, less than 10 seconds, and our warm-up will be complete. Good job. All right, guys, towel it off, get your space ready. We are going to do a 30-10 hit set for 3 rounds, okay? It'll take us about 13 minutes. So gear up for that, get a drink of water, and I'll see you right back here for our first box and boxing set. All right, guys, I hope you are ready for your first set. We are starting with some kicks, low, medium, and high on the left. We'll have tricep dips, those low, medium, high kicks on the right. We will have face melters, which could also be mountain climbers. We're going to have 3 kicks and a crisscross jack. We're going to have box jumps, or your plyo move of your choice, or step ups. We've got a touchdown with kick on the left and the right, and decline knee tucks. Okay, we have 30 seconds each exercise. You have 10 seconds before we get this all started. I'll make sure to tell you what's coming up next, okay? It won't make it any easier, but it might at least help you know what's coming, okay? Here we go. So, we want to pivot that foot, do a low, medium, high kick, okay? Left leg only, medium, high kick, okay? Low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick, hard to balance but worth it, low, medium, high kick. 3 more seconds. You'll have one leg that just doesn't do what you want it to. That's that leg for me, okay? So we're doing tricep dips next. 30 seconds of them. Back close to the elevation, elbows close to your side. You want to feel this in your triceps, okay? If you're less advanced, walk those feet back, bend the knees, okay? If you're more advanced, add a vest. You want to. These don't have to be screaming fast, but I want you to push. I want you to squeeze. I want you to think about your triceps so that they will invite their friends to the party. Very good. All right. We've got that low, medium, high kick on the right. We're going to start, you can even chamber the knee and do 3 chambers if you're not quite ready, okay? So low, medium, high kick. Low, medium, high kick. Low, medium, high kick. Low, medium, high kick. Low, you got about 15 seconds. Great for balance, great for abs here. Great for glutes. 3 seconds. 1 more high kick. All right, good job. Now we're going to do face melters. So a face melter is alternating that leg up and down, okay? So I'm going to lead with my right for this whole interval. Next time, I'll lead with my left, and then maybe I'll do half and half for that 3rd round. Almost there. You can just mountain climb or knee tuck here. Good job. Woo! That's not an easy one. All right, we're doing 3 kicks and a crisscross jack. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. These don't have to be huge kicks. Good job. All right, box jumps are next. Here we go. Jump it up. You can step it down or jump it down. Almost there. Make sure you get those knees up so you don't have any spills. All right, touchdown and kick on the left. So you're going to touch down, pivot that left foot, kick with the right, okay? So down, pivot, kick. You can add a punch as you kick, because that's always a good time. Guard that face with the other hand. 5 seconds. Pick up your pace. Very good. All right, decline knee tucks. You can also just do regular knee tucks right on the ground. I'm going to do one on my box. Here we go. Good time. You can take them out to the side. You want some oblique work here? You can take them to opposite arms. Crisscross them. You want some more oblique work? Good. Get down. Now we're going to touch down to the right and kick. How you guys doing? Touch down and kick. Touch down, kick. Touch down, kick. Touch down, kick. Touch down, kick. Touch down. This is super fun for me because I haven't kickboxed in a while. I actually did just a little kickboxing circuit with my boot campers. 3, 2, 1. Very good. All right. Guess what? We're back at the beginning with that low, medium, and high kick on the left, okay? I see some cute little toes down there. Here we go. Low, medium, high. 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 Low. Couple seconds here. High. Very good. All right, tricep dips are next. You guys are doing great. Really, really good. Let me know if you want me to film some of my boot camp classes for you guys. I would be more than happy to make that our weekly workout. I'm teaching 2 nightly classes, 1 weekend class. Boot camp, a lot of the time right now I'm using no equipment just because of coronavirus and just trying to make sure that my workouts fit a lot of different skill sets and levels. So let me know if you all want some boot camp workouts for home. All right, we're low, medium, high kicking on the right. Taking a nice deep breath, boxer shuffle. Low, medium, high. 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 Low, medium. Good job. All right, we are doing some face melters. I'm going to lead with my left leg this time. Here we go. Almost there. I promise. Keep that core strong. Good job. 3 kicks, Criss-Cross Jack. Keep it moving. Stay positive. 1, 2, 3, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, crisscross. There's my allergy guy. 2, 3, crisscross. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good job. Box jumps. Make sure your legs are ready. If you need a few seconds, take it, okay? Better than falling and having no more seconds left. I'm stepping down. You can absolutely jump down. Very good. Ooh, only have to do that one more time. You're welcome. All right, touchdown with a kick. I'm gonna lunge to the left first, okay? So here and here. Here, pivot that foot. Helps you with balance. That's why we need to have nice strong glutes and nice flexible hips. They help us to be more functional in a lot of ways, but especially when we kickbox. I say as I'm falling, that's all right. You do you. If balance isn't your strong point, work on it. Decline detox are next. Woo! It has been a balmy 96 degrees here, which is very warm. I love the heat. No one in my family does. I can go sit down in it and enjoy myself, but everyone else is like, ah. But I would much rather have summer all year long than winter. I think just because winter here is so gray, kind of rainy, not beautiful white and snowy. Good job. All right, we have one more move in this round, and it's a touchdown with a kick, touching down on your right, okay? I'm thankful for all the seasons. I know that they all have their wonderful contributions to our world, but man, I love me some summer. I'm gonna work the rest of my life to try to get to the beach. I'll probably live there for one day and croak, but that's okay. I'll have met my goal. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good job. We are back to the beginning with those low, medium, and high kicks. Breathe it out. Whew. All right, here we go. We're going low, medium, high, low, medium, high. I don't know if you're like me, but it's hard to gauge the height of your kicks. I always take medium way too high, low way too low. Kick 3 times and you're good, okay? And staying balanced is so hard. Good job. All right, we're doing tricep dips for the last time. Woo! All right, here we go. Remember, you can stick here, okay? Make sure you lower those hips enough. Get that butt down. Get out a weight plate to your lap if you're crazy. Just a few more. Squeeze at the top. Very good. All right. Low, medium, high kick on the right. This one should look a little better. I make no guarantees. All right. Low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick. You're halfway there. I lit my candle today. Needed a little comfort low, medium, high kick, low, medium, high kick, low, medium. All right, good. Done with that one. Face melters are next, so I'm going to alternate half the time leading with one leg, half the time together. It really doesn't make a difference in the grand scheme. When we get to 15, I'm going to switch which leg hops up on the box first. There I go. Now my left is hopping up. We have less than 10. 2 and 1. Good job. All right. Face melters are finished. 3 kicks was a crisscross jack. You could always keep those kicks isolated to one side instead of alternating. I don't mind. 1, 2, 3, crisscross. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Tighten that core. 1, 2, 3. Protect your pretty face. And I mean that if you're a man or a woman. You've got a pretty face. Good job. All right. Box jumps, unfortunately, are next. Or if you love that sort of thing, bully for you. All right. Box jumps. Use your arms. Don't get lazy or scared, because that's when you fall. Good job. All right. Touchdown with a kick. I'm touching down to the left, kicking with the right. You can do either or because we're going to get both of those legs in there. Just keep track. Woo, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very good. We've got decline knee tucks for the very last time. We are getting so close to the end of this section, okay? So I'm going to do 2 in the front, 2 oblique, 2 reptiles, just to keep it fresh, to keep my mind focusing on the next movement instead of the time on the clock. We are halfway there. One more. Very good. Our last move is going to be touching down to the right with a kick to the left, or whichever way you did it, okay? All right, here we go. Down, pivot, kick. 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 Down. As you go, you'll find that even that funny leg gets better. Even if you have 2 funny legs, they get better. Very good. All right, guys, wipe it off. I'm gonna get my timer set up for an 8-minute EMOM, and I will see you back here in just a minute for that. Awesome job. All right, guys, I hope you're ready for a really fun 8-minute kickboxing EMOM. We are going to, instead of doing a set number of reps per minute of one move and then resting for the remaining time, we are gonna do an every minute on the minute challenge where we add a move and then we take moves away, okay? So, you have 5 seconds before we get into it. Our first minute is just going to be jab cross, okay? So I want you to kind of stand the balls of your feet, be able to pivot, and we are tightening our core and punching. The next move we're going to add to this is a hook. So I'm pivoting my feet here just because I love for my punches to come and get power from my lower body. You have about 30 seconds to go. You can also keep these stationary and really pivot the abs, pivot the torso so that your abs contract and get a nice burn. Okay, you also protect your spine by engaging your core, so don't forget to do that. Almost there. 7 seconds. You'll have 5 seconds of transition time. Then we'll add those 2 hooks. 2, 1. Whew, good job. Shake them out. So now we're gonna jab, cross, hook, hook. Okay. Hook, hook. Just like you're getting somebody right in the jaw. But instead of a person, think about some kind of injustice that you'd like to knock out of the world, okay? Hatred, poverty, oppression, something like that, okay? Give them a love knockout punch. My dad called me the Bob Ross of exercise. I don't know if you guys are familiar with The Joy of Painting, but I loved to watch that show. And he says I'm so relaxing that I'm like the Bob Ross of exercise. So I feel like Bob Ross would have said that. He would have said, you know what, knock out all this stuff that's terrible that's going on. Not with more meanness, but with love. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Your next minute is a jab, cross, 2 hooks, and a knee only on the left, okay? So jab, cross, hook, hook, knee. Cross, hook, hook, knee. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee. As you get better, go faster. Knee. Jab, cross, hook, hook, knee. 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 We're going to add the other knee in our next minute. Really engage that core. You can throw your arms out there and throw your legs up there, and it won't make as much difference as if you think about what you're doing and if you really engage your entire body. Almost there. Now, this next minute, we're going to add the other knee, okay? Man, I'm boogering up my mat all over the place. So, jab, cross, hook, hook, knee, knee. You can make those knee drives slower, lean back, give them a lot of power. Breathe obnoxiously, just like I am. It will force some core contraction and engagement you might not otherwise have had. You can do it. Good job. All right. Jab, cross, hook, hook. Knee, knee. Switch kick times 2, okay? So jab, cross, hook, hook. Knee, knee. Switch kick, okay? You can do regular kicks there too. It's okay if you have some short circuits in that brain. My brain has them regularly in front of all you guys, so you can definitely not feel embarrassed at home. Woo! 10 seconds. smiling. Very good. Okay. Now we're taking off one move, okay? No more jabs and hooks. We're just gonna hook, hook, jab and cross, I'm sorry. So we're gonna hook, hook, knee, knee, switch, switch, okay? Hook, hook, knee, knee, switch, switch. Those can just be belt kicks. Hook, hook, knee, knee. It does help to say these moves to yourself as you do them. Helps with neuromuscular communication, coordination. Knee, knee, kick, kick, hook, hook, less than 10. Knee, knee, kick, kick, hook, hook, knee, knee. Good job. All right. Now we are just doing 2 knees, knees, 2 switch kicks. Okay? Knee, knee, switch, switch, knee, knee, switch, switch, knee, knee, switch, switch, knee, knee, switch, switch. Let's do 2 knees per side. 1, 2, 1, 2, switch kick, switch kick. 1, 2, 1, 2, 2 switch kicks. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 5 seconds. 1, 2, 1, 2. Good job. All right, this is our last one. We're gonna do switch kicks only, so you can just take this into belt kicks, okay? Get your breath. Or you can switch kick the whole time. You can do 2 belt kicks, 2 switch kicks, okay? Don't have to do all or nothing. All or nothing thinking gets us in a bind in a lot of ways, okay? So do what you can. Combine what you can do. Don't quit. Even if you're just boxer shuffling, you are still with me. You're still moving, okay? Even if your kick is the lowest kick in the world, even if you can only do knees, your body is nothing short of a miracle in motion, okay? Celebrate where you are today and know that it's not going to be where you are tomorrow, okay? All right, we have one more little group, okay? I'm going to give you about a minute rest, and then we're going to get set up for some HIIT with our box and on the floor. We're only doing 1 round of it, just as kind of a burnout, okay? And when you're ready, we will get into those fun moves. I'm so proud of you. Awesome job. All right, guys, you're ready for your final set. Now, I'm only doing these moves 1 round through because I want this to be more of a snack than a meal. But if you're hungry for more, absolutely add as many rounds to this as you can safely do, okay? So we're starting with 4 jabs and an alternating layback pistol. If you do not like doing pistols or cannot do pistols, you can do them assisted, or you can do a rollback squat, like a get up. You can do 4 jabs and a squat jump or a squat, okay? You do what works for you. After that, we're doing decline box push-ups. We're doing jab cross 2 hooks with a sprawl. A sprawl is kind of just like a lay down burpee, okay? I cock 1 leg up to the side, so you can alternate that. Then we're going to take our boxes and do a step up with reverse lunge on the left. If you don't have a box, you could just do pendulum lunges, something like that. Then we're going to do an uppercut times 2, a duck, and then an uppercut again times 2. And then we'll finish off with our step ups and reverse lunges on the right, okay? You have 15 seconds. Think about what modification you're going to do if you're not doing the 4 jabs and the layback pistol. So hopefully I will not crack my head on anything. Fingers crossed. All right, so we're gonna go just like this. Jab, times 4, take it back. Layback pistol, okay? Other side. Make sure you're leaning forward to get that momentum working for you, not against you. Woo, snack time. As you get more tired, this won't be as fun. Actually, it'll still be fun. It'll just be more challenging fun. Woo, all right. Now we're gonna do decline box push-ups. You can also hold a plank here or do them inclined if decline box push-ups are truly debilitating for you, okay? Do a couple, see how you do, okay? I'm coming here. Make sure your arms are positioned so that even though this will be more shoulder heavy because it's decline, make sure you're using your chest and your triceps as well. Try not to arch that back. Keep a strong core. Be thankful we only have 1 round. Almost there. You don't have to go fast. Squeeze that chest. Good. Pop it down. Still leaning carefully, of course. All right, we're going to do a jab cross hook hook and a sprawl, okay? You can just do a lay down burpee there, totally fine. So jab cross hook hook and up. Jab cross hook hook and up. Jab cross hook hook. 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 20 seconds left. Good. All right, stepping up with a reverse lunge on the left. Again, you can pendulum lunge here. Breathe it out. And 1. Taking a lot of balance to do these. So make sure you can tap that foot to get your balance. If not, hover. Almost there. Good job. All right. 2 uppercuts, a duck, and 2 uppercuts. Whack, whack, a duck. Okay. Not that kind of duck. Okay. We're going to uppercut, 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 uppercut. Uppercut, 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 uppercut. There, we got it. Take that outside arm and start those uppercuts to make it more efficient. So we're going toward this side. Use the left arm first. This side, the right arm first. Almost there. Get down low. Good job. Our last move is our step up and reverse lunge. Then we will knock out a cool down, literally knock it out, and be all done for today. Here we go. Step up, get your balance, reverse, lunge. Step up, balance, reverse, lunge. Step up, get your balance, reverse, lunge. Step up, get your balance, reverse, lunge. Doesn't have to be fast. Make sure you're getting a good knee drive, a good core contraction. Very good, 10 to go. Very good. One more lunge. Why not? All right, guys. Amazing job crushing this. Get wiped off, get your space cleared out, and we will cool down together. So proud of you, and I hope you enjoyed your snack. All right, guys. Now it is time for a well-deserved cool down. If you're wondering about the costume change, it's because I thought I was recording a cool down, and when I went to edit the video, I realized it wasn't there. So here we go. Cool down number 2. I'm going to be nice and cooled down by the time this is all said and done. So let's just start with some nice dynamic stretches. Bend over and rock from side to side. All right, left hand to right foot. Look up, reach. Right, come down in the middle. Press into those palms, press into those heels. All right, switch sides. Right hand to left foot. Reach up and twist. Awesome. Come back in the middle. Let my setback with this video remind you that you will have setbacks and you can still keep going forward. Alright, now we're just going to heel toe in a little bit and do a little yoga squat, push out on those knees. Party time. If you cannot get that low, please don't worry. Come up here, push out on the knees, you'll still get a nice stretch for those hips. Excellent. Now I want you to heel toe in even further. I want you to bend those knees, flatten your back, and then I want you to inhale, exhale, and reach forward. Round the shoulders over. Straighten out those legs as much as you can. I want you to take one leg back, lower that knee, and I want you to reach up. We're going to take both of those hands to the right of that left foot. Open up that hip this way. Excellent. Now I want you to send your hips back. Stretch that hamstring one more time. And take it back up. All right, that right leg is going to come up. The left leg is going to get sent right back. And we're going to stretch the hip flexor of that left leg. Now I want you to make a nice cactus pose with your upper body. Drive those elbows down and back. Open up the chest. All right, release that. Both hands to the left of that right foot. Open up the hips on this side. All right, send those hips back. Stretch the hamstring on this side. Awesome. Come back up. Take that left foot back up to the right. One more hamstring stretch. Up. And I want you to roll those arms, roll those shoulders. Now I want you to pat yourself on the back with your right hand. Pull the elbow over for a nice tricep stretch. All right, other side. Release that. Pat yourself on the back with your left hand and pull on that left elbow. Awesome job. Now I want you to just float those arms all the way down. I want you to take a nice deep breath in, deep breath out. Celebrate the fact that you have just finished this workout and that you have just digested this snack. And I will see you back up at the camera for your send-off. Alright guys, awesome job crushing our boxes and boxing snack. I hope you had a lot of fun. I hope the sweat was flying. Let me know if you added some courses to this meal and what you did to make it work for you. I love hearing about how you guys challenge yourself and how resourceful you are with the things that you have. So, other than that, I need you to drink a lot of water today as always. I need you to have a healthy post-workout meal 30 to 90 minutes after this workout. If you have any questions about nutrition, if you want online nutritional counseling, personal training, some coaching and goal setting, please email us at velvethammerfitness@gmail.com. Also tell your friends and family about us. We would love to help them get into the best shape of their lives and have the best perspective on their amazing bodies, because that is something that is more valuable than anything when it comes to our health and fitness journey. So tell them about us, send them our way. We would love to meet them. Please like and subscribe if you have not yet. Catch us on Patreon if you have not yet. And if you are in need of a 4-week glute growing program or a 4-week Velvet Hammer Pipes program, please see us on Vimeo.com and get signed up to be challenged and put the fun back in functional, okay? Other than that, be kind to somebody difficult. You will not have trouble finding them, even if you're in your own home, quarantined. So definitely reach out to those difficult people. Show them some love. They absolutely need it. We all need extra love right now. Who are we kidding, okay? And we all probably are on the verge of becoming difficult people in some ways, just because of the strangeness of the situation we find ourselves in with this wild and wacky virus. So make sure you love hard this week, work hard, rest hard, and be thankful for your amazing body. And whether you feel like you've got a little appetite there after this workout and can still do a little more, or whether you have lost your appetite altogether, you finished. And as always, it is your health today and every day, so you better hit it hard. Boom! Have an awesome day, guys, an awesome week. Know that I'm proud of you, and let me know if you want to see some of my boot camp workouts filmed just for you, okay? I'll see you guys very soon.